Hey y'all, it's your boy Dark Honest Done. I'm coming at you with another tutorial, baby. What was that? If anything, if you are a current and returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel, baby. As you know, we like to beat the nails to the. I don't know where I was going with that. Y'all know we like to do nails here, and we like to have fun. If you're, new to this channel, welcome to the Chanel, baby. Let me show you how to slay some nails. Hey, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a bad yaddy and share. Because sharing is the only type of caring we like in this house. Okay? If anything, let's get into it. Oh! Hey, party peeps. So we're just gonna be doing a lovely gel set. So this is what we're gonna be doing today. I wanted to do just kind of something simple, and plus I wanted to do pink too. So we're gonna be messing around with some foils, some line work, and also some rhinestones. I absolutely love this nail. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the Beatles Polygel Extensions. So that's what I use in the color dark pink. Yeah, I just put it over some forms, and that's how I did that. So the first part of this whole look will be the lines. So we're going to be using the Modelon Gel Art Liner. This is in white. So yes, let's go ahead and get into it. How y'all been though? How y'all been? Cause me, I lied. First thing I'm gonna get into is the foils. So I'm gonna use the Beatles Gel Polish. This is the Nail Art Foil Glue. This is UV and LED. So I'm gonna first do the 3 nails with 2 with you on camera. So you know how I'm gonna be doing mostly a French tip style. So y'all know how I like my French tip styles. I like it more of a triangle. So we're gonna do the triangle shape like that, and with this foil glue, what you'll do is you'll put it on. If you want to, you can put it over the whole damn nail. It's your art. I'm just trying to help you create it. And you're gonna cure that for 60 seconds. Alright y'all, so I cured that for 60 seconds. So these are the foils I'm gonna be using, which is kind of like a cute little butterfly foil. So I'm gonna be using these. So what I like to do is I like to first take two do it like this. I like to first take 2 of the butterflies that are together and kind of group them in that way. So I'll do something like this and then stick it, work my way around, and you just rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in. Oh, I done shook the camera. Oh my God. And rip it off. Bam. You see, it's kind of light, but it's fine. Since I have a little space, I'm going to take this one and put it down there. Just to kind of fill in. And you really want to kind of like rub it, massage it in there. I keep shaking this camera, y'all. I need to get a better stand, to be honest. You know, no tea, and bam. So we're gonna do the same for this one. For this one, right here, I'm gonna use these, since it's kind of like a partial. Oop, but it's stuck on there now. Right. And then snatch it off. It's really that simple, y'all. It's not that hard. It's not as hard as it looks. Right. Put the foil glue. You can actually set that thing for like 30 if you want it to be really tacky. Then bam. And then once we do that, now that we kind of got like our little what's some damn things called butterflies. Oh yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, okay. So now we got our butterflies. Now we do our line art, our line work. So I'm using that same liner that I just showed at the beginning. I know you guys are probably wondering, Ricky, where's the drink of the video? So there's no drink of this video because let's be honest, my allergies are allerging, okay? My allergies decided to kick in last night. You know, they decided to clock in last night, you know? They was on vacation, but now they're back. You know, well rested is what they are. It's not what I am. I wish I was well rested, but that's another talk for another time. But bam, we just pretty much drew like the French tip. Just a shadow line is what I call it. And how I do it, I start from the sides, the top, and then I work on this part last. Just to kind of see where I'm going. But yeah, my allergies have just been really working. They clocked in last night and yesterday. Oh my god. And the thing is my allergies, when my allergies get bad, my tonsils also like to flare up. I need to go ahead and get them bad boys plucked on out the back of my throat. You know, they can take the little dangly thing hanging in the back of my throat and keep it. But yeah, my throat was, ooh, fuego. You know, this was all this happened at 12 o'clock at night, baby. I thought I was about to die. I thought I was about to die. You know, my old dramatic ass, like, oh my god, I'm scared to go to sleep. Yeah, guys. So that's how my night went. But yeah, allergies suck. Allergies suck. I didn't ask for this. I actually didn't have to really worry about this. I'm telling you, once you get older, stuff just starts to happen. And that's pretty much that part. And now I'm going to do this nail too, but I'm only going to outline this one. I'm not going to actually close it off. So just outline. But yeah, especially here in Louisiana, the springtime is very springy. You know, you want to know how bad it is? Like my porch was like yellow. You know, yellow for the longest time. And if it wasn't for all the damn rain, my house would also be yellow because my house is yellow and black. So yeah, that's how crazy it is. I used to have to go outside and dust all that damn pollen off my damn porch. But it is what it is. So that's pretty much the gist of it. That's just the line work. And pretty much you're going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then the last thing we're going to get into is some stoning, sis. Okay? Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, y'all. So we did the line work and I put a matte top coat on and I cleared that. Now let's work on the rhinestones. First we're going to use the McCart rhinestone glue. I'm using the other side, which I really rarely use, which is the brush side. So this is how small the brush is. It's really fine. So how I did it is I started from right here and I kind of curved it like that. As far as for how you want to do it, you can do it any way you want, but this is just how I did it. Kind of curved it, brought it down the middle, you know, meet me in the middle, then brought it and then curved it. So it's kind of like a really crazy looking S. Period. Bam. So that's why I also like that brush part too. It does come in handy sometimes, even though I don't do it as much. But that's pretty much that. I'm going to be using my, you know, handy dandy wax stick. But first, we're going to put a big one, which we're going to put this size right here. So we're going to put this size in the middle. And that's going to work as kind of like the, you know, center of attraction, you know, the gravity. So put that bad boy in the center. Now we're going to pull out the smaller ones. So we're going to use these next. And then you just kind of put them in the place of the shape or design that you're doing it. You know, if you want to put like your name, you know, or your like, you know, spell out your first initial, or you put your initial, you can do whatever you want, you know. It's your world, I'm just helping you create it, okay? It is your world, I'm just helping you make it your world, you know? It's like, who am I to hold all of these secrets, you know, about doing nails, you know? This is what the nail techs are scared of, you know. They don't want you to learn how to really do your nails, because then, you know, you won't need a nail tech no more. So, of course, you know. So, yeah, you see how we got it curved? Now, we just kind of work our way downwards, following the shape of how we did it. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole gist of it, and pretty much the end of the design. I'm gonna put one more. Said uno más. There we go. And bam, that's the design, honey. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And yeah, we're going to get into the final reveal, y'all. Okay. All right, y'all. The time has come. The sun is setting. And the bitch got work tomorrow. Anyways, hey. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Just a little quick tutorial. I hope it gave y'all all what y'all wanted and what you needed and what you just felt in your life. If anything, as always, I enjoy when you guys pop in. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Batty Yaddy Yaddy, and share. Because sharing is caring. And y'all know that's the only type of caring we like in this household. I mean, if anything, y'all, look. Check out my other videos. You know, I do makeup. I also do, you know, nails, as you can see. You know, but yeah. If anything, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. Peace!